Let's dive into a word that can change how you think. Right here on Word Up with Sophia. Today's word is coordinate. Can you say it out loud? Coordinate. Let's go. Let's spell it together. Ready? C-O-O-R-D-I-N-A-T-E. That spells coordinate. Great job. Coordinate means to organize people or things to work together smoothly. It's all about making sure the right things happen at the right time, in the right order. Here are some words that mean the same as coordinate. Say them with me. Organize, arrange, align, synchronize, unite, plan, manage. Pause here and review the synonyms. Each one adds power to your vocabulary toolbox. Now let's look at the opposites of coordinate. Confuse, mess up, disrupt, disorder, separate, clash, neglect. Pause here and review the antonyms. These words help you see exactly what coordinate is not. Here's a great example. Sofia helped coordinate the school talent show. Let's review. Coordinate means to organize people or things to work together smoothly. Synonyms: organize, arrange, align, synchronize, unite, plan, manage. Antonyms: confuse, mess up, disrupt, disorder, separate, clash, neglect. You're a natural at pulling things together. Whether it's planning a game, setting up a surprise, or organizing your desk, remember, you're not just working, you're coordinating like a pro. Here's your mission. Coordinate something today. It could be planning a snack break with a friend, organizing your school bag, or helping set the table. Make it smooth, make it fun, and don't forget to say the word when you do it. Coordinate is like the conductor's baton in an orchestra. It brings all the moving parts together into something amazing. When you coordinate well, everything just clicks into place. You just leveled up in the world of words. See you for the next upgrade.